How to delete Splitwise account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Splitwise account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here, at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the account icon. Simply tap on it and then you'll be presented with your account name. Here at the right side, you'll be able to locate the pencil icon. Tap on it to open your account settings. Now once you open your account settings, here you'll need to scroll down and at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate delete your account option. Now simply tap on it and now you will be prompted to confirm that you would like to delete your account. You will need to enter your current password for verification. Tap on this current password box and then enter your password there. And after entering your password, tap on this delete your account button right here. After that, you will be able to see this interface. Here you will see you have successfully deleted your account on Splitwise. Now you can simply tap on this logout button right here and then tap on OK in order to completely remove your account. Deleting your account will remove all your data from Splitwise, including the expense history and the balance. And if you change your mind after deleting, you may not be able to recover any of that information. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Splitwise account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.